It's a KTM party. I've got 4 pretty badass KTMs. 1290 Super Duke R, totally badass. Carbon fiber wheels with WP Pro component suspension. Bam! Totally badass. Pro component makes a huge difference in the bike. Bam! Brembo, Galfer wave rotors, Brembo master cylinders. Yeah, she's badass. And then we have a 690 enduro with WP Pro component suspension as well. These are the forks from the KTM 450 rally bike. So pretty badass. That's very special. Had to order that from Europe. And then also pretty dialed-in Galfer wave rotors front and rear as well. And I forget who makes the hubs. Han hubs front and rear with A60 wheels on this, and the Raid Garage rally, half rally setup. Badass. And then over here we have the 890 Adventure Rally, another badass machine with SC Project exhaust and WP Pro component suspension as well, and with the shocks also WP Pro component setup. And we also on this have the Brembo master cylinder on there, running a single rotor with Brembo M50 caliper in the front and Galfer wave rotor as well on this setup, and Woody's wheels front and rear on this as well. A60 wheel in the front. So totally badass. This girl is one badass machine. And then over here we have the 690 Supermoto with Warp 9 wheels, and she's also has WP Pro component suspension as well. And they're all sporting the stealth mirrors. Also, as you can see, this bike is also totally badass and unique. This is a unique feature on this bike. This has the master cylinder, not master cylinder, the cylinder is from a 690 Duke. The Dukes. So this runs with the 690 Duke cylinder. So it's revier, has more power, and totally badass. And they all have custom seats as well. Both 690s run the seat concepts, and both the 890 and the Super Duke run Sargent, I believe. Yeah, Sargent. These are both Sargent seats. Yeah, so Sargent and Sargent. 690. Anyway, here it is, the KTM party. Some bad mothers right here. Sweet.